here with what you get into your box. When you unpack your box, you get your netting. You get 3 of these, 50 centimeters. This makes out the platform, like so. You get your 2 back parts, like that. This goes to the back, where you thread red on red, red on red. So this makes out the square of your platform. Then you get your 2 pieces, that's the front legs. So when you assemble, make sure that it does go like this. You get your 2 front feet of your unit, 2 back parts, and then between the front feet and the back feet, you'll see there, we've got that one rests on the back of your pool or on the wall. This one supports this piece. This piece goes at the bottom, just so that your unit doesn't do this. So we've got our 50 centimeters plus this, 2 front feet, 2 back pieces, and then you get your arms that rests on the pool paving. That goes on top of that. You get your peg, you get your rope and your screws. 2 options you can use, you don't have to use both. You get your instruction sheets with the link to the Facebook page where you can do your assembly. And then all you need is a small piece of wood, like a wooden bread plank, and a rubber mallet to attach it. Written instructions, step-by-step instructions, and then obviously the video instructions. So this is what you can get in your unit, as well as some other pool features. That's it. Okay, this is all the parts. I'm going to assemble one. I'm going to assemble a big dog unit for my own dogs. Principle stays the same. Okay, so we start with the back parts first. We're going to red on red. It's in nicely. This is a very small 1.5 lb hammer. Then we thread this through. There's only one tricky part, so when you do the other part, see to it that it shows, your support shows to the back. It doesn't go in, so let's see. If it doesn't go in as easily, then there we go. Now we've got that. So we're going to do the chair first. Red on red. Okay. I'm just making sure I'm not pinching there. Okay, that's close enough. We're going to do this one so that we can do our platform. That one's done. Okay, so now we've got these in. This is the tricky part. The neck needs to stretch. So let's put this one in here. It's going to look like a skew. It's going to look like the neck is not wide enough. Okay. So that one in. And this is the part that is the trickiest one, so I'm going to show it to you like this. I go like this, I stand on this, and then I pull it to this where you need 2 hands. Stand on that, and then I push. There we go. because if you've got both of them to the top, it's gonna be difficult. Put the one in and then the other one. So there we go. So our platform is done. So now we turn it around. We've got our little chair feet. We're going back to this. Okay. This is also just a little tricky part, but let me show you. Put that one in. Hold it with your thumb to the side. Go in. Go in. Go in. There we go. Put this one in. Hold it with the thumb. Until it's in. Got that. So now the bottom support's done. There we go, we're going back to the table. And then we've got our top parts. Yeah, sometimes the table is a little bit unsteady. So there we go. Now what we can do on the floor. And just okay, so there we go. It's just this front part that's a little bit tricky. So now your neck's not sagging. It needs to go and it's stretched. So if you can't get this in, just get someone to help you. And stand on these two pieces. Obviously not with your whole weight, but just to get this stretched through. Okay, there we go.